Hi, my name is Megan Lynch. I want to welcome you to our very powerful business community. The company I'm going to talk about today is a company called Tradera, but first and foremost, I want to give a really quick disclaimer. Every effort will be made to accurately represent our product, our service, and our potential. Trading is risky, and past profits do not predict future gains. Now, what we're going to talk about today is the secrets of the wealthy. Wealth creation is pretty simple. You want to put your money to work for you, compound your profits, and repeat very simple strategies while building a financial portfolio that definitely includes residual income. Not only that, you want to look for opportunities that have a low startup cost but high return. And you want to be the boss, so you're going to have to take calculated risk. Now, the company that we're going to talk about is a company by the name of Tradera. In this very short webinar, I want you to understand that this company is brand new. It was founded in 2019. It's based in the United States, and it is a financial services platform, and it's completely debt-free. Now, the amazing thing is that the gentlemen who started this company are actually traders, and they really wanted to see people win. Cody Sell and Eastman Harris out of Texas wanted to see people win, and they wanted to teach simple ways to replace an average person's income for a very low cost in the financial industry of Forex. Now, the two powerful industries that we're going to look at is actually the Forex market. Forex education and trading is the product, and we also focus on active and passive income. Network marketing and affiliate marketing is one of the strongest ways to build solid teams. Now, let's look at the Forex market. Forex is actually currency exchange. It's one of the largest markets in the world. And a lot of people ask why Forex at this time. Well, because we have our cell phones, the Forex market is one of the most accessible markets, and it's a $5 to $6 trillion a day market, trumping the stock market by trillions. Now, we make money daily, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and Forex is all over the world. And I want you to understand that because you have your cell phones or internet connection, you can access money from all over the world. Now, our basic focus is to teach you when to buy in the market, when to sell in the market, and when to do nothing. So the services that Tradera offers are very, very simple. Trading education, trade alerts, live sessions, market forecasts. We have a 2-week syllabus, small study groups, a 20 pip and dip strategy, and a very, very strong trading community. So let's look at these individually. Our trading education is 100% online, so you can access it from your cell phone. We have education from basic to advanced strategies and a step-by-step process that you can follow. We also have a 2-week syllabus that's designed to get you in the market quickly. Now, what I absolutely love is the copy-paste, earn while you learn trading alerts. These alerts come to your cell phone. They tell you your stop loss, your entry. They're going to tell you your take profit, everything that you need to do to be able to be profitable in the market following successful traders. Now, for those of you who truly want to learn, every Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m., we conduct live webinars. You can ask questions, and if you can't make those calls, they're recorded, and you can click and play right from your back office. Now, for those of you who are watching the market, every single week, we post market forecast. We have small groups where you can actually learn how to trade with other either beginning traders or advanced traders as well. Our small groups allow you to really master the skill set of trading, and it's led by professionals. Also, learn how to compound your money like the banks. The 20 pip and dip strategy will allow you to learn how to make small profits and compound them over time. Now, our trading community is so successful that you can look at other companies and understand why so many people are joining Tradera. Now, the biggest reason why people are joining Tradera, other than our products, is the fact that you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. You can get started as a student or a client for just $99 every 4 weeks. You get access to all of our amazing services. Not to mention, if you want to become free, we'll help you sign up your first 3 people, and then you get your education for free. After your first 3, if you would like to make an income, you can actually pay $15 only every 4 weeks, And now you can build a business, earn residual income, and refer others and upgrade when you're profitable. Once you hit your very first rank, you'll go back to paying your $114 a month. But I want you to understand how powerful our compensation plan is. Once you sign up your first 3 people, you can take that all the way up to $100,000 a month. You only need 3 active people. So if you sign up more people, you're welcome to give those people away because it doesn't benefit you to keep any more than 3 people. Now, you may want to have a 4th person just in case someone's card doesn't work, because our compensation plan is so very powerful that you do not want to miss any income over here. You can become free all the way up to $100,000 a month, and we pay weekly. Every single week we pay. So our first goal is to help you hit founder. We're going to help you, and when you get your first 3 people, you are free. After that, you want to pay your $15 a month and hit that very first rank. Very, very simple. You have a big leg. You need 4 people in that leg, 4 people in your leg 2, and only 2 people in your leg 3 for a total of 10 people. And now you've hit night at $500 a month. Some people are doing this, I've seen it as quickly as in your first 20 or 30 minutes. Also, I want you to understand that if you want to continue to go up the ranks, you can hit Noble. Noble is 10 partners in your leg 1, 10 in your leg 2, 5 in your leg 3. Only 25 people in your organization, and we have a spillover and spill under strategy. So you can get paid off of people who you haven't personally sponsored. $1,000 a month. Hitting Bishop is 30, 30, 15, 75 people in your organization, $2,000 a month. Guys, this is phenomenal. When you hit Duke and Duchess, 250 people in your downline, 100, 150, you are now making $5,000 a month, and that takes you to Prince or Princess. 500 people in your downline, $10,000 a month. Quickly, you're going to move to King and Queen. 1,000 people in your downline, $20,000 a month paid out every single week. $5,000 a month is what you'll be making. And we have members who have already hit that in as little as 8 weeks. I want you to understand that when you get to Emperor and Empress, $50,000 a month, 2,500 people in your downline. We just had a gentleman who came over not even 90 days ago who hit $50,000 a month. But the place that you want to be is legend. So I want all of you to say, I am legend. 5,000 people in your downline. That is $100,000 a month. $100,000 a month paid out every single week. Now, I know you may be thinking that network marketing is a challenge, but with this opportunity, it is very simple to sign up in less than 2 minutes. You can access our services immediately, share your link, and start getting paid. Our business works flawlessly because we market word of mouth, online marketing, and social media marketing, and we have great training and support over here at Tradera. So we want you to get positioned for success quickly. I want you to understand that once you get positioned for $99, we're going to help you get your 3, spill over, spill under, get your education for free, hit that first rank of $500 a month, knock out the rest of the ranks, guys. And I want you to understand that you do not have to be great to start, but you do have to start to be great. So today is the day to get started right away with Tradera. So get signed up, get free, and get paid. Get back with the person who shared this video with you, and let us help you get your education for free. Let us help you get paid. Thank you guys so much. My name is Megan Lynch. Have a fantastic day.